Greetings guys, and welcome to another episode about R programming. In previous episode we dealt with text formatting and text appending to Word document using Officer Library. In today's episode I'm going to deal with hyperlinks, how to append hyperlinks and how to use text piece from some paragraph and to turn that piece of text into hyperlink. So how to do that? First of all, this is code from our previous episode. Only difference in here, it's this piece of text. This is hyperlink that leads toward my YouTube channel. So first we are going to deal with simple function. Function sleep in text. Let me show you. We are going to provide a result of that function to our document. And first argument is actually going to be document. Second argument, it's going to be some text that you would like to show. Let's say now third argument is going to be style. Fourth is going to be pause. And final argument is going to be hyperlink. And I'm going to take this string and to append it in here. So if we run our code, you could just ignore this warning message. And let me show you what we got. I'm going to open this document. And see, we have our text. Here is the hyperlink, and if I hover over it, you see we have notification. And in order to follow this hyperlink, I'm going to do right click and open hyperlink. As you see, it works. And now let me show you other way. We are going to close this document. We are going to let this piece of code in here. It's not important. And for now, first thing that I'm going to do is to create style. With function fp text. Let's say font size is going to be like 17. Bold is going to be true, and color, let's say blue. And now I'm going to create actual hyperlink with function hyperlink f text. And first argument is actually going to be link itself. So I'm going to copy this text. Comma. Second argument, text that we are going to show. Let's say something dramatic. And in order to provide this style, prop equals style. Well, we could do all of this in line, but I think that in this way looks much better. Let me show you. We are going to provide link in this way. So if we run our code now, oh yeah, typo. And now I'm going to run this code. What's wrong? Another typo. And I suppose now that everything is going to be okay. And it is. And let me show you our result. And as you can see, we have our inline hyperlink in here. So that would be all about this episode. If you're satisfied with this content, please subscribe and see ya.